Get a good angle. There you go. Take your hand and pinch the top. Go over some. Right there. Then what you're going to do? You want me to do it?
This sucks so bad.
You'll get used to it.
Oh, God. Okay.
And then I can do it if you want me to.
Oh.
Because if you let go, it's going to hurt. If you hold it, it's not going to hurt.
This sucks. I hate shots.
If you want me to do it the first time, I will.
Okay.
You want me to do it?
Yeah.
Okay. You're just going to squeeze.
Oh! Oh, God.
You gotta leave it in there for a second.
Oh, it burns. Oh, God, that hurt. Jesus, look at the size of that hole in my leg. You see